Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to get into exercising our lungs. So I got this on Amazon. They got cheap ones, they got very expensive ones, but they all do the same thing. This one's made in the USA. It says it right there on that top right. But it shows you right here how it works, more or less, and how so your lungs is a limiter factor just as much as your heart rate. Also your weakness of your muscles. Your there's a limiter factor to everything when you're working out, so everything has to flow together. So for me, I have to train my lungs because I've smoked cigarettes, I've smoked weed, I've drank alcohol, I've done a lot of harm to my body. So I'm trying to get healthy again, and this is one of the things that you can do also to exercise your lungs. So to fix it, I'm not gonna say it's gonna fix it, but to train it to be better than what it is. Those that never smoked, they can fix their lungs, but for me that I have smoked, it's not gonna fix it, but it'll make improvements compared to where I'm at now. So let's show off the product, and then I'll show you guys more or less, and then I can also show what it says here on the website for them. So I already cleaned this off. I already tried it. I already put the resistance that it needs to be at for me to work out in. So there's a plus and minus right here, and then when you turn it, it will open or close the resistance to how much air you take in and how much air you blow out. So it will only allow so much air to go in, and again, and depending on the resistance. So my resistance is depending on how much resistance I got, I'm gonna be able to inhale to the max, and that's how much air I can push out max as well. If your lungs are better, you can tighten the resistance. So you're doing sets. So it gives you here why it helps, and also the warning signs of when to stop. So again, this is exercise for your lungs. This is a mouthpiece, and this is just you breathing in and out. And this is to increase the capacity of air that's going into your lungs. Also, you can increase or control your breathing, because again, if you're winded, you would say winded, like you're like huffing and puffing. At that point, all you want to do is stop working out and just basically take a breather. Like just wait until your breathing goes down. And again, it all of it is a bottleneck between the heart and the lungs and how much blood flow is going through your body. And again, I'm not no doctor, but again, do your research. Go on YouTube, search up stuff like this, or just lung exercises, or exercises to for your heart rate, anything. Just search up, do your research. But this is one of the tools that you can use to help you breathe better through your lungs. So you can also use this just standing, standing, doing nothing, or you can use this while you're working out, while you're jogging. Also can control how much air you're taking in, how much air you're pushing out. So again, it's an exercise, but again, you can do this at home while you're watching TV, and just do exercise for your lungs. So again, make sure you wash this out with soap or water, and every time you do use it and you're done using it, wash it out with soap, water, and then you got your case right here, and make sure it stays clean. So to show you guys how it looks like me using it, that's basically it. You're just going to inhale, exhale, and that's it. You just put the mouthpiece in, inhale, exhale. Now they do sell this stuff like for the hospital, for those that they do surgery, they make you do lung exercises. This is kind of like that, but more portable. So like instead of walking around with a container where you blow into and the ball has to be at a certain height, that is still a lung exercise. This is just more portable, where you can do this, you know, anywhere around the house and not carry something. Now this time you're just biting onto something, or again, you're going jogging, you're in your car, you're driving. You can do lung exercises to make your lungs stronger, control your breathing. The longer you can control your breathing, the more exercise you can get in. So more reps you can get in, more jogging. Just your overall health becomes better if you can control your breathing, breathe in more, exhale more. And again, a smooth transition between your breathing and your exhale, it will help out a lot. So if you're into this, this is an Amazon. It does have the company, the name of the company. I believe that's the name of the company. Well, actually, let's go look at the website. So this is what it says. It says how to inhale, how the inhaler works. Ensure that the device is clean before using it. Bite down on the sides of the mouthpiece and close your lips around the edges to secure the trainer in place. It says sit up comfortably, upright position, maintain good posture, use as part of your workout routine. The same things I already said. Again, things that says warning, aim to keep your breathing training challenge but not uncomfortable. If you feel any effort or effect, abuse effect, some shit, such as dizziness, headaches, or struggle to catch your breath, try lowering to lower the resistance level. Always use container and work your way up higher restriction levels with the time and practice. So again, that's the, I guess that's just the name. It's called inhaler. But search it up on Amazon. They have other ones again that are expensive, name brand, but it does the same thing. All it is just a restrictor. That's it. Just breathe in, breathe out. But anyways, again, I posted up a couple videos for stuff that I'm getting into, like my shorts, the muscle shirts. I'm gonna get into a sauna muscle shirt, which is for me to lose weight. So the sauna muscle shirt it's a blue layer that's inside that makes you sweat, so it'll help me lose weight as well. So I'm getting into a lot of exercising. It's more because of my bad knee and my bad leg, but the exercise in general will help me out, just staying motivated, staying focused. I always wanted to, work out. I always worked out, but I ended up always quitting because I would start dating and then I would just lose focus on what's important. So I'm trying to go back into working out and have the body that I always wanted and just stay focused on my bills and what's important to me on the sideline. Like relationship is not my main focus. It's more of just my career, my life, and just working out as much as I can, especially to get my body healthy, mental health as well. So that's important. But anyways, guys, if you guys got any questions, I got more videos coming up. Again, with the sauna shirt, I got running shoes. I bought another pair of running shoes. Going to do a comparison between both different types of the two running shoes that I bought. What's my preference out of the two. Also the difference between running shoes and regular sneakers and basketball shoes. What else I'm getting into? I got the ankle weights. Got into vitamins and supplements. So we'll be posting that stuff up. That's stuff that the hobbies that I'm getting into now. I do work on my motorcycle. I do put money into the bike and I do ride my motorcycle. I do have a bicycle as well that also helps me working out. So I do have multiple hobbies, but right now this year is more of staying focused on my overall health, because I'm getting surgery done. So my health comes first before everything else. Fun, I can have fun later on this year or the following year, but this year is more focused on my health in general. But anyways, guys, if you guys like the video, put a like, subscribe to my channel, put comments. Everybody ride safe, drive safe. God bless. I'll catch you guys on the next video.